I got that sick dope, sprinkle with the liquid of a pig's wool. Happy people die when the planets think of a new sport. Door to crowd, borderline, hepatitis, stir fry. My courageous power flannel, hypnotize the first guy. Plan of action, Madagascar with an aspirin. Ass tack the baddest, put a over with the match sit. Backflip, galaxies get thrown into the back pit. Magic company, we got the for a lamp spit. Discotheque, hypergenic appetite for Nicorette. Ladies getting naked and we haven't gone for dinner yet. Incorrect, maybe we'll get burgers and a popsicle. You can use my toothbrush if you're feeling fairly comfortable. Like a motherfucking bird, I suffocate your mother with the wordplay. Hop along and enter points of pressure on the world's face. Earth Day, it's the same day as my birthday. Don't drink beer, it'll hit your fucking heart away. Started getting lazy when your mother was complaining. Now you sit around and think of all the reasons you should stay in. Basic, people see the gaps when you say shit. Face it, you're nothing but a genius in the basement. I will smack that cloud over, don't jiggle a hoster, poster, postpone my roller coaster. Have a level, I'm sucking up potato punk, lick it up and stick it in a pick a liquid pool pump. Skyrocket, fresh lip, blocking headrest, grin. As I teach sharks how to swim. Cuban Armageddon at a record set up well. Where the Tweety got abused because he couldn't shake his tail. Feather manic man, sick of twisted flow with a overload. Stick it to your skull until your cranium explode. Manic man, sick of twisted flow with a overload. Stick it to your skull until your cranium explode. Like a motherfucking bird, I suffocate your mother with the wordplay. Hop along and hit the points of pressure on the world's face. Earth Day, it's the same day as my birthday. Don't drink beer, it'll eat your fucking heart away. Started getting lazy when your mother was complaining. Now you sit around and think of all the reasons you should stay in. Basic, people see the gaps when you say shit. Face it, you're nothing but a genius in the basement.
The earth breathes to the beat of the clay people's feet. Hybrid human electronic beings, clay people speak through a hole in their right hand. They operate as one. When one speaks, they all speak by lifting up their palms, and they always speak in time cause the beat never stops. They're hooked up to a metronome that's synced up to a clock. When humans go to Clayland, they fall right through the ground. Their slim shuffy can't stop the ground from letting them fall through. So if you ever go to Clayland, be sure to wear flat shoes. Like what? Like a motherfucking bird. Close your eyes until the voice in your head come alive. Count 3 times from 1 to 4. Repeat the above until your head gets sore. Now when the voices in your head ask for more, say
like a motherfucking bird, I suffocate your mother with the wordplay. Hop along and hit the points of pressure on the world's face. Earth Day, it's the same day as my birthday. Don't drink beer, it'll hit your fucking heart away. Started getting lazy when your mother was complaining. Now you sit around and think of all the reasons you should stay in. Basic, people see the gaps when you say shit. Face it, you're nothing but a genius in the basement.